This new Hermes update makes ideas automatic. What if the only thing standing between your ideas and real finished tools was you, not your skill, not your time, just you being in the way? I run everything inside a setup I call Agent OS, and it just changed that. Now I drop one messy line, walk away, and come back to a built thing. The agents do the work. I make one call. That's it. Let me show you. I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, and my whole job is helping you actually learn and use AI tools in your real work, not just watch demos and forget them. And today I want to walk you through a new update inside my Agent OS that makes ideas basically automatic. By the end of this, you'll see how one rough line turns into a finished working thing while you're off doing something else. Stick with me, because the part that makes it all click comes near the end. So here's what's going on. Inside my Agent OS, Hermes is the project manager. It's the brain. And I built a pipeline where I capture an idea, the agents plan it, I approve it once, and then it gets built, and I can see exactly what got made right there in the dashboard. You can see all these things. It's already put together. I click one and I preview it. I read the notes on what got built. One board, left to right, from a rough idea all the way to a shipped running thing. Let me show you how fast this is. I drop an idea in, say a simple tool, something totally off the top of my head. I capture it, then I hit shape it. The agents read it, sort it, and hand me a plan to approve. I approve, and they go off and build the whole thing. There's really only two things I do here. Give it an idea, approve the plan. Everything else runs on its own. Here's one that was a to-do list app. Here's one that was a little meditation timer. Real built things from one line each. This whole framework I call the Goldie Idea Foundry, and it lives inside my Agent OS. The idea can be half formed. One line, a voice note, doesn't matter. The agents take over, figure out what it is, route it, and write the plan. And there's just one place where I step in. I approve or I reject. That's the entire job. A project manager agent spins up sub-agents, and they build the real deliverable for me while I'm gone. And it just keeps going. I can have my agents working around the clock, quietly building useful things in the background while I get on with everything else. Now, if you're watching this thinking you'd love this exact setup running for you, this is what I've built out inside the AI Profit Boardroom. When you join, you get my full Agent OS as a zip file ready to install. The Idea Foundry, Hermes as the project manager, the approval gate, the Obsidian memory layer, all of it wired together. On top of that, there's a 30-day roadmap that walks you through setting the whole thing up step by step, walkthroughs on the Idea Foundry specifically, a prompt library, and 4 live coaching calls a week where you can bring your own setup and get help getting it running. So instead of piecing this together on your own, you grab the whole thing and get started. That's all waiting inside the AI Profit Boardroom. Okay, back to how this actually works. Every single thing the Foundry builds gets saved into my Obsidian Vault as plain markdown. That's a big deal. It means everything is connected to my memory layer, which I call the memory galaxy, so my agents can use what they've already built as context for the next idea. Nothing gets lost. It's all readable, it's all searchable, and it's mine. I can come back to any of it later, open it up, and keep building on top of it. Let me show you the one gate. When an agent finishes planning, it drops the plan into the human section. I click in, and I can see the idea, how it got classified, the proposed plan, the approach it's going to take, the first milestones, and even which sub-agent is going to build it. Then I make one call, approve, and it starts building in the background. Reject, and it doesn't happen. That's the only place I touch the whole thing. One decision, and I'm out. So the whole flow is really 5 simple steps. Step 1, capture. I drop the idea and forget it. No tags, no folders, could be one messy line anywhere. Step 2, classify and route. An agent reads it and decides if it's a real project to build, a quick task, something to park, or just a reference to keep. The good stuff gets pushed forward, the noise gets filed, and I sort nothing by hand. Step 3, plan. For anything worth building, an agent writes a real plan. What it is, the approach, the milestones, and which sub-agents build it. Step 4, the gate. I approve or reject. And step 5, the forge. A project manager agent spins up sub-agents and builds the actual thing, and I watch it show up running in my dashboard. Here's how I actually use this. I dropped a one-line idea into the Foundry, a simple interactive tool that shows people what they'd get inside the AI Profit Boardroom. I captured it, approved the plan, and walked away. By the time I came back, it was built and running in the dashboard. That's exactly the kind of thing that pulls the right people toward the AI Profit Boardroom without me sitting there building it by hand. Here's another one. I captured an idea for a clean day 1 welcome page for new AI Profit Boardroom members, one line in. The agents planned it, built it, and saved it straight into my vault. New AI Profit Boardroom members land somewhere that instantly tells them what to do first, and I set the whole thing off with a single approval. And here's one I'd run next. I drop in a whole content series idea designed to bring more of the right people into the AI Profit Boardroom, the topics, the pages, the pieces, and let the Foundry plan it and start building it out. One idea, walk away, come back to real work I can actually use to grow the AI Profit Boardroom. Now, let me tell you why I built this in the first place. In the old days, every idea I had hit the same wall. I'd write it down and then nothing. No time to research it, no time to plan it, no time to build it. So it slipped into the background and never happened. And by the time I came back to it, I'd already forgotten why it even mattered. That's the real problem. Not that the ideas were bad, but that I was the bottleneck. The old way looked like this. You write the idea in a notes app. You mean to research it this weekend. You open a blank doc, stare at it, close it, you forget why it mattered. Maybe you hand it to someone and wait 2 weeks. Most ideas just never get built. The new way, I drop one line into the Idea Foundry inside my agent OS. Agents classify and route it. An agent writes a full plan. I approve it once from anywhere. Sub-agents build the real thing, and it ends up shipped and running. Ideas actually become finished things. There's one more piece I really like. It's called Hermes Jarvis. It's a voice-activated version of Hermes that runs in the background and can control my computer. I set a wake word, I talk to it, and it takes what I say and acts on it. So I don't even have to be at the keyboard. I can just speak an idea and let the system take it from there. And it works with everything else inside my agent OS. Now, some of you are thinking, this sounds like a gimmick. Is it actually building real things? Yes. You can see real working stuff getting made from one line each. A calculator tool, a web page I can open in full screen, a to-do app. These aren't mock-ups, they're finished. Running things sitting in my dashboard, and I can preview any of them, comment on them, or hit rebuild to have it take another shot. And the best part is everything lives on one board. You watch your ideas move left to right, from the inbox where you capture them, all the way to shipped. I drop a line into the capture bar at the top, I tap shape it, and in about 15 seconds, the agent sort it and slide it into the human gate. I read the plan, approve, and it builds. And because it all saves into my Obsidian Vault as plain Markdown, the whole pipeline is mine. I can search it, read it, and come back to it whenever I want. People always ask about this running heavy. Here's the thing, you can run this on local models or on free ones. I mix it up all the time. I'll test a local model, test a new one, see what actually works right now. And that stuff changes almost daily, so you don't need anything heavy to make this work. It can run light, and it can run in the background all day, quietly building things for you. So why does the Agent OS part matter this much? Because if you tried to do all this inside a plain terminal, it'd be really hard to see everything you've made, keep it organized, and actually get ideas shipped. Inside my Agent OS, it's all in one place. The Idea Foundry, Hermes is the brain, the memory galaxy, the swappable models, one dashboard. That's the difference between a cool one-off demo and a system you actually use every single day. Quick tips before I wrap. First, capture everything and judge nothing at the start. The whole point is to get the idea in and let the agent sort it out. Second, always read the plan at the human gate. It takes 10 seconds and it's your one quality check before anything gets built. Third, run local or free models while you're learning so it stays light. And fourth, keep everything in your Obsidian Vault because every idea you ship makes the next one faster. Your agents build on top of what's already there. So here's what to do next. If you want the full process, the SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases just like this one, join the AI Success Lab. The links are in the comments and the description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 85,000 members who are crushing it with AI. And if you're about to go try building your own idea pipeline, here's where you'll want backup. When you actually set this up, you're going to run into questions. Which models to use, how to wire Hermes in, how to get the approval gate running smoothly. That's exactly what the AI Profit Boardroom is for. You get my full Agent OS zip file ready to install, the 30-day roadmap to get it up and running, walkthroughs on the Idea Foundry, a prompt library, and 4 coaching calls a week where you can get unstuck fast. With over 4,000 members already inside, come join us at aiprofitboardroom.com